Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the environment is what our looking glass. So, what environment are you experiencing? Is that environment what you want? And if you don't like something, you're not experiencing something you don't like, or something is not going according to you, that means you have to look at it yourself. Your own environment is how you think and feel and taking the action. Your thoughts and your feelings is what is your environment is. Most of the time, people, 99% people not aware of that. They think it is to do with others or family or friends or the news, whatever is going around the world. Let me tell you what I have learned from my mentor, the information I studied and I learned is nothing to do with others, is everything to do with yourself. The way we are projecting our mirror to the world, and that's what we are experiencing. And so think about it. 99% people are not aware of it, and people think it's to do with the family, it's to do with the whatever is going around the world or the news or people around you, the people surrounding around you, and they are the making the problem, or they are the creating the problem, whatever you're experiencing. So it's good news is you can change it. Whatever the environment you're going through, you might not change others. Let's just listen to that. You might not able to change others, but we have power to change ourselves. Once we start to change ourselves, change means your mindset, like your thoughts, your feelings, and according to that we attract everything. People, because we are not aware of that how the mind works, this is the reason we are just stuck in that environment, and the things are happening, same things happening again and again and again, and we don't know what to do. Sometimes we just resisting it, and we are fighting with the environment, we are fighting with the family, we're fighting with the environment and the people, the surroundings. We just don't know what to do. So good news is, and it can be changed, but you have to know how to change first, and then you have to start changing yourself according to. So your own thoughts is the main problem. Because you might be saying, "Oh, I'm a very positive person. Other people are the problem." But everything works according to the universal laws. Universal laws is just like whatever the thoughts going on in our mind is the thoughts are energy, and energy goes in the universe world, and then it comes back to us. Same energy means if you're consciously you're thinking negative, and the same energy going to come back to you. If you're thinking positive, and the same energy going to come back to you. But sometimes we start to think I'm very positive, but what's going inside as our feelings, as our thoughts, that's what we are attracting it. How we think and then how we feel emotionally, and that's what the attraction is. Your attraction is, of course, the information you're consciously thinking about it, and then how you feeling about that emotion, that is your attraction. Your emotions and your feelings are attraction. That's what you are attracting, and that's what you're going to bring. That's what you're going to bring your environment. That's what you're going to experience, same thing again and again. It's nothing going to change until you start to change. Stop trying to change others, start to change yourself. And once you start doing that, and things going to, you're going to see the change. You're going to see the things are changing. But you have to do that every single day. You have to take a action every single day. You have to think and start to programming yourself as a positive formation to yourself. and you have to do that every single day. You have to take action every single day with that information, and then you definitely, your thoughts gonna change, your feelings going to change as emotionally, and then your perception going to change for the environment. And that's what happens, because we learn how to think, we learn how to feel as emotionally, because we know we have to feel how we want to experience, how I wanted to see the environment, and how I want to experience that environment. And you're going to focus on those feelings. You're going to focus on your thoughts. You're going to focus on your emotionally how you feel, and how you feel. You wanted to feel how you wanted to feel, not how other people's making you feel. You're going to be a control of yourself, and you're not going to be a control of other people. Now at the moment, maybe you're feeling you have been controlled with other people, but once you are control of your thoughts and emotions, and then you are the control of yourself. Most of the time we giving our own control to others, they are controlling us, because the way we are thinking, the way we are emotionally feeling about ourselves, and that's what we are projecting to the world. That's what we're sending the energy, and it's this same energy, it keeps coming back to us, because everything works cause and effect, give and receive. um, yeah, these are laws. These, we can't change them. What we send out to the universe world is always comes back to us as a negative or positive energy. So stop blaming others. Stop telling others what to do, what not to do. Start focusing on yourself. And that is the most important. Focusing on yourself, focusing on your thoughts, focusing on your emotions. And you have to think the way you wanted to think. You have to feel emotionally the way you wanted to feel emotionally. And once you're going to do that, and things going to change, things going to improve, things going to you're going to see the change, you're going to feel the difference. And if you keep doing that every single day, and then your environment going to be looking glass what how you want it to be, not the environment is looking glass, uh, something you don't want. So your environment going to be your, through your own mirror. You are the mirror. Your environment is is going to be according to you, not your environment is your looking glass, not something you don't want. Your environment looking glass going to be the way you are control of that. You want to see what you wanted to see on the mirror of yourself, and not something you don't want. So you are the control of your thoughts and your emotions and your feelings, and you're definitely going to experience the environment the way you wanted to see your environment, because now you know how to change the perception the way you wanted to see that environment as a positive according to the universal laws. And you're not seeing that environment as a negative. You're only focusing and you're giving your power only on the positive, not on the negative. Most of the time we are just looking for the negative, and things are happening negative, and then we keeps attracting the same thing. So you have to focus only what is positive, and the rest just leave it alone. And this is the way it is. And you cannot control people. Only you can control yourself, your thoughts, your emotions. You are the control of yourself. So don't give away that control to others, and keep that control of yourself. And um, and um, and um, you're the control of yourself, not other people. Other people are not controlling you. You're controlling yourself with your positive thinking, your positive emotions according to the universal laws. So you know the laws are working all the time. So you have the control. And if you start working according to the laws, definitely you're going to see your environment the way you wanted to see your environment. So you definitely you're going to experience that also. But you have to do that every moment, and keeps doing every single day. You have to do that every single day, and start reading the book, start watching the YouTube. Something is something you are learning about, how that you can do that, control of your thoughts and your emotions as your feelings. So this what I am a testimonial here. This what I have learned, because I know there is tools in our mind. We can use these tools, and then we can start using these tools, and we can create the way we wanted to create. So hopefully this YouTube going to help you. Please leave your comments, and how's your environment, and how do you deal with your environment if the environment is not going according to you, and how you are dealing with that. And so hopefully this YouTube going to help you, and leave your comments going to, of course, help me. And I would like to know, is it helping you? And give thumbs up if you like the YouTube. And if you have any question, please ask. Asking question, you're going to get the answers. And people don't like asking questions. Asking questions is very important. And this what we have learned. We always asking question when we have meetings on about the goals, and we always ask questions. Question is really important. So hopefully you're going to ask question around the subject I have shared. And environment is but your looking glass. So what is your environment? Looking glass is so hopefully is going to be according to the way you want. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. If you do need a further help, message me, send me the message, and I can help you with your goals, personal goals, professional goals. This is what I do. And of course, I can help you. The subject I talked about today about the environment is but our looking glass. So how we can change that environment the way we want it. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.